Andariki namaskaram. I love you too. Thank you. Hyderabad. You know, the first film I did here was Bharatane Nenu with Mahesh Babu Garu. And for the first time, I experienced the audience love, which is, there's no audience love like the Telugu audience love. So thank you so much. Every time I come here, you make me feel like I am home. And I want to tell you that Toxic is not just a Kannada film. It's not just an English film. It is as much a Telugu film, a Tamil film, a Malayalam film, a Hindi film, because this is an Indian film. Thanks to our team, thanks to Yash, thanks to Geetu ma'am, my director, and the entire team who has made sure that in every language we give it our best. So you experience it to the best of our abilities. So 26th August, you have seen our trailers and teasers and promos, and we've seen the love you've given us, but now we welcome you to see the soul of our film. So am I going to see you all in cinemas on 26th August? First day, first show? Promise? Chal, I'll go home then. No, I'm joking. I love you guys. Thank you so much.
Kiara, a few questions to you. So now that you're connected with Telugu audience, how does it feel coming back to Hyderabad again?
Like I said, Suma Garu, I honestly feel like I come home every time I come here. I actually have not come since I delivered my baby, so this is the first time I'm coming. And such a warm welcome. There is really no audience like the Telugu audience. The way they shower their love and welcome us. Thank you, all the students here today. So much love. You all have waited for us. We are so sorry we made you wait in this weather. But just seeing this love makes you feel like it's just such a blessing.
Thank you. And how is Nadia going to connect to the Telugu audience?
Well, I hope you love her as much as I have loved creating her. But it's only possible because of the extraordinary vision of my director, Geetu. Forgive me, I'm not very well, but I'm going to try my best. If it was not for Geetu, I don't think we would have been able to bring this to life. So she's not here. We all are missing her because she's giving the best final touches to the film. But it's all because of her that she saw it in me and really gave me wings to fly. To Yash, for being rocking star Yash, he truly is one of the most inspiring actors I have ever worked with. Every time I do a scene with him, or I just sit in office and go for my dub, or I'm working and seeing what all they're doing, I just feel like I want to know what's in his mind. This passion this man has, I think his contribution to cinema is going to be something that's going to inspire all of us. And I can't wait for you all to see what he has created in this film. So thank you for making each one of us a part of your vision, your passion, and your madness.
Thank you so much, and we wish you super success and lots of love to Junior Kiara, and looking forward to seeing you on August 26th in theaters.
Thank you
so much, please.